Today I'm going to tell you how about how to making an American owl sound. To think to remember when you making an American owl sound. Uh, this is your mouth and your lip come forward. Uh, and like you kiss and your tongue uh, more back in your mouth, not come forward. For example, urok, urip, urit, urod, urin, urit, urom, urais, urob, urais. Okay, rock, rip, reach, road, rin, rit, rom, raise, rope, rise. Uh, are at the end of words or after a vowel. Car, car, fire, star, door, pier, for, air, year, turn, poor. Um, are in the middle of word. Very, direction, direction, rent, erase, correct, marry, marry, correct, original, hurry, yellow, marine, perry, operation, caring, arrive, everyone, very, direction, rent, erase, correct, marry, correct, original, hurry, yellow, marine, perry, operation, caring, arrive, everyone. Our sentences. The round roots into rounded. Remember, R is strong rooster of the work. When the plan is at the beginning of work, the mouth prepared for our it means you come for your mouth come forward before you even say a word. For example, training, trust, cheap, great, tropical, bring, print, president, product, crowd, rig. Okay, you should remember to think to remember remember when you making an American our sound. Is it is a your mouth and your lips covered like you kiss, and your tongue more back in your mouth, in your mouth not covered. Okay, thank you for listening.